Hello, welcome back to my channel, Jacqueline's Beauty. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. This is all about the products for anti-aging and keeping your skin beautiful, flawless, tight, and firm at every age. So stay tuned, we're gonna dive right in. Okay, you guys, I have a lot of products here. I promise you I will list them all in the description box below, but I had to take an opportunity to just try and share my routines with you. As you guys know, I'm all into the ageless beauty, trying to make sure that you take care of your skin, you protect your mind, you protect your body and your heart. Okay, so I am going to start. There's no particular order. One of the things that I will do, I'll try and keep it product specific and brand specific. So that's the least I can do for you guys. So I am going to start with Bliss. Bliss is spelled B-L-I-S-S, and Bliss has a series of products. I usually stock up, so I hope they're still in business. I haven't purchased anything in probably the last year because I have so much of their products. I just keep it, I don't hoard it, but I keep it stored downstairs in a storage area so that as I need it, it's available. So I'm going to be talking a lot through this video. I love my water jug. I drink lots of water a day. This is key to making sure that your skin stays refreshed, hydrated, and it helps you to think better. Drink water, I promise you. Okay, enough talking. Let me dive right into this. I want to start with the first product that I found out about from Bliss. I kid you not, this product has been in my life for at least a decade. Okay, so Bliss, B-L-I-S-S. Okay, and this one here is called Fab Skinny Slim. Okay, and it's skin firming cream with encapsulated caffeine. It is simply perfect for a quick treatment for cellulite, or if you need to firm up your legs, you're going out in shorts, or you're going swimming, or you're going lay out on the beach, or you're wearing a dress that's a mini, whatever. Okay, this thing here, you guys know I do this all the time. I love this product. I love this product. And it was so interesting. One of my good friends, she's a little heavy, and she says, I bought it when I was in Florida. I was over at her house, and she says, oh, I don't need that. I'm like, honey, this is for me. This is for me. You look fabulous. I'm trying to look fabulous. So anyways, I love this. I highly recommend you try this product. Basically, it's like Fat Girl Slim. Okay. This here, it comes, it's a cream consistency. It is white. I put it in smaller containers, so I travel with it. I have some in Florida, some in Texas, some here in the Midwest, everywhere, okay? So that's the one you use primarily during the day, a quick fix. This here is Fat Girl Sleep. So this consistency is the same. It's a cream. This is actual purple. And you put this on at night so that this is actually soothing overnight with the same encapsulated. This is an extract rich complex. So it does also have caffeine in it. Beyond fabulous. So it's working while you're sleeping, okay? Another product I purchased from Bliss. The place that I get Bliss most often is Blue Mercury. There's one in DC, there's one in the Midwest. I think they're everywhere, but I found out about them in California through the W Hotel. That's where I used to get a lot of my products. Okay, so this is Fat Girl Scrub. This is skin soothing, stimulating body exfoliator for less than perfect parts. And we all got them, okay? So this here, I haven't even opened it. I'm trust and believe this is like my third bottle jar. So anyways, this is great to do a scrub before you're going to put on your bathing suit, your short dress, your shorts, your skirts, whatever. And then, so I would say scrub with this maybe a couple times a week. And then you can apply this every day. truly, in the mornings. And then with the night one, you can use this at night. You don't have to use a lot, so it'll last you a long time. Okay, sticking with Blitz. Blitz here has Fat Girl 6-pack. Okay, bitch. I try and get everything possible to help with cellulite. It's like I don't have a lot, but it's enough to get on my nerve. You could even be a thin girl and it still gives you problems, okay? So this is a tummy toning gel with 6 active ingredients and ab activating applicator. Okay, let me show you that. I'm almost out of this, but this is the applicator. So you can kind of see it's like one of those cellulite sponges. It's great. And I've had the sponge for at least 20 years. Please believe. Love this, okay? And it works. Okay, what else from Blitz? Okay, here we go. This is Blitz. It's a high intensity 24-hour heaven, basically. Healing body balm for 24 hours hydration salvation. Okay. This is wonderful. The products are a little pricey, I must say. They're in the $20 to $30 range, but it's worth it. I've had this for forever. You don't need a lot. It's a very rich cream. Just put a little bit on your hand. It's fabulous. It's basically a body butter with a heavenly scent as well. Their products are not overly fragranced, which I love, but I kid you not. Great. This is high intensity. You can put it on. You could also, like what I've done in the past, I'll put this on, wrap my body in a towel, wrap, or ace bandages, and just bake in my gym. Sit down, have a cup of tea, and make it happen. Okay? Don't forget your water. Okay, so the next product, I'm going to go into, oh, hello. I'm about to be slapped. Don't do this. One more product from Blitz. This is Fab Girl, Leave It to Cleavage. We got to protect our cleavage areas all the time. Okay, that's where you start to age faster than others. Okay, so what it is, it's an enriching bust souffle. All you do, ladies and gents, you just want to rub it on your cleavage area. I'll put just a little, not trying to do much, but you want to do it so that it helps to minimize fine lines and wrinkle and that gathering in between your boobies. This helps. Trust and believe. Mine's almost gone. I got to get some more. Okay, now I'm moving on. So I love Clarins. I have an array of Clarins products. It's a very, very nice brand. I have been hooked on Clarins since Clarins started, quite frankly, because I used to only use their sunscreen. Okay, spray. This is Clarins. Once again, love. This is Lift Extra Firming Body Cream. And so it lifts, tones, and comforts. This has a heavenly scent. I love this product. It's great. A rich cream as well. What I recommend for this product is you use it probably once a week. Ideally at night. You want to put it on so it firms up everything. So in the morning when you wear your dress, your skirt, your pants, whatever, it helps to firm. It can also be an on-the-spot treatment. So if you're going out, you're going to have on that bathing suit or whatever, and you want to make sure that you as toned as possible. Trust me, this is amazing. I love it. It is pricey, no doubt. I bought this about a year or so ago in New York, and it's still almost full because I take my time with it, and I only use a little. Okay, so now I'm just going to go into so many products. But this is Vichy, V-I-C-H-Y. This here is a cream you can use on your neck and your face. I primarily use it on my neck and my hands. It's a beautiful scent, not a lot of fragrance, but it's basically a neck cream to help minimize fine lines and wrinkles. You can get this at Walgreens. I think CVS might have it, but I know Walgreens, and I think maybe Rite Aid, but check it out. It's great. I'm certain Target has it as well. Okay, let me see. So now we're going to go into another product. All of these products are great for making sure that you look good all your life. Okay, so let me get to the next ones. Okay, so now we're going into advanced clinicals. I found out about this product online. I was doing some research just to see, how I can further help protect my skin. And I kid you not, oh my God, advanced clinicals. Okay, this one here this is the spa size. I like to get large quantities of things so that I am safe and won't run out anytime soon. Okay, this is collagen. Collagen is wonderful. This is a skin rescue lotion, soothing lotion for post-treatments, hydrates, lifts, and firms, promotes an even-looking skin tone, green tea, aloe vera, and chamomile. It's great. I will usually mix this in with my lotions. If I want to make me a homemade or DIY gloss, I'll put this in it so that I have all of my elements in my lotion or my gloss that I use. Collagen, very, very important for the skin. Also from Advanced Clinicals, this is a spa size as well, coconut oil. This here I live by. I put this in my lotion. I put this in my travel bag. Why am I doing this wrong? I put this in my travel bag. I also have this in several locations, so I'll mix up a mixture where I'll have a gloss cream in there, a firm cream, my coconut oil, my collagen, my leg firmer, my leg gloss, all in a little container that I could travel with. And this is organic ingredients, paraben free, smooth, soothes, and firms. Restores deep hydration for face, hands, elbows, knees, and body. Okay, love coconut oil. Okay, one more product from Advanced Clinicals, and this is the spa size in the retinol. I like the pump spray simply to make it easy and convenient for me. I have these all in my bathroom, and I just pump them out as I feel needed. And this is an advanced firming cream. Clinically proven ingredient. Number one, clinically proven ingredient. Components, effects of cosmetic procedures. Renewing and anti-aging. Once again, green tea, aloe vera, and chamomile. Love, love, love it. And like I said, the pump sizes work great for me because I could just pump it into things, put it on my skin, and there's no excuse for me not to be doing it because it's easy and fast. Okay, so I'm going to go into my next brand. This is Moroccan Oil. I found out about this about a year or so ago, and this is a body souffle, body moisturizer. This is heavenly. I don't use it that much, and the only reason I don't, but it's a nice, rich consistency. The only reason I don't is because I've run out of room, so it's at the bottom of my stacks of stuff. Has a nice light fragrance, but this is divine. I recommend you use this all over for sure, but I do highly recommend you use this on your legs and feet. Wonderful, especially after you give yourself a pedicure. Okay, on to the next product. This one here is by Palmer's. Palmer's has been in my life for decades. I kid you not. I love this product. It's always been there. It's been the go-to for cocoa butter, for people of color that wants to blend out their skin tone. If you have marks or dark circles or something like that, this here is their leg gloss. Oh my God, this is about $8. You can get it at any beauty supply place. And it's cocoa butter formula with vitamin E, soothing and perfection leg gloss. So it's a tinted moisturizer, adds a silky shimmer, masks imperfections, and minimizes need to shave. It's great. I kid you not. So I'll mix this with my retinol, my coconut oil, and my collagen with a little bit of baby oil or olive oil, and that goes on my skin all the time, and not just my legs. I want my arms to glow, everything. Okay, so next, this is the handy dandy go-to ride or die baby doll right here. This is Nivea. Oh my God, you see I got the big ass size. I got them all over my house. So this is the value size, essentially enriched body lotion. It immediately gives you a glow. It has almond oil and noticeably smoother skin. You will notice. This is for dry and very dry skin. Okay, now this is a product that I use, which you guys are all familiar with, Hawaiian Tropic. I love Hawaiian Tropic. I use so many different products by this company, but I really do love their after sun care. I don't really burn that much. I really try to protect myself with at least 15 SPF, and sometimes I'll go even to 50 if I'm going to be near water. But this puppy here is great. So after the sun, you think you're not burned, you never know. I would highly recommend just rubbing this all over, especially the areas that were exposed. It has a very nice coconut papaya fragrance. This is divine. I love this product, and I love Hawaiian Tropics, basically everything they make. This is one other thing that I highly recommend. It's a product I may have talked about it a little bit with my facial routine, but this is Neutrogena oil-free eye makeup remover. You want to use something on your eyes to remove makeup that's effortless, something that is one wipe and it's gone. You do not want to rub these very delicate areas too much. I highly, highly, highly recommend basically all of Neutrogena's products, but especially this one. This is my do or die. Can't do without. I got about 50 of them stockpiled, okay? So I know this was a little bit of a long video, but I wanted to share with you the products that I use on a regular basis to help keep my skin soft and smooth, wrinkle-free, hopefully, working on that, but also to make sure I'm always nourishing my skin and doing whatever I can to protect the skin that I'm in. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Please click the JB and subscribe to this little family. Don't forget to click the bell so you get a notification every time I upload a new video. Give me a like and leave a comment. Let me know the products that you guys use and if you've tried any of these. Please believe they will all be listed below, and most of these you can definitely get on Amazon. The Bliss products, you may have to go through Bliss. I'm not sure that Amazon has authorization to sell them. But please check me out. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Don't forget to check out Jacqueline's Beauty blog. And I hope to see you guys. No, I know I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Remember to subscribe to my channel, Jacqueline's Beauty, and join this happy little family. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.